J1407b, also known as Super Saturn, is an exoplanet that has captured the imagination of astronomers and the public alike. Its enormous ring system, much larger than Saturn's, makes it a unique and fascinating object of study. It was discovered by the Super WASP telescope using the transit method. This method works by the fact that any planet orbiting a star in the right orbital planes would pass between us and the star affecting its light. The planet and its rings were detected as a result of dips in the brightness of the star J407. Analysis of this data led to the conclusion that this was a planet with extremely large rings. J1407b boasts a ring system 200 times larger than Saturn's. If we could see it from Earth, it would dominate the night sky. The sheer size and complexity of these rings raise questions about their origin and evolution. Gaps in structures within the rings suggest the presence of moons or moonlets. Studying these moons could provide insights into patterns of moons around planets. J1407b's unique characteristics challenge ideas of planet formation and evolution. It demonstrates the vast diversity of planetary systems beyond our solar system, expanding our knowledge of what is possible in the universe. J1407b's unusual nature sparks curiosity and inspires further research. Astronomers are eager to learn more about its composition, dynamics, and potential for harboring life. J1407b may not be a planet in the traditional sense. Recent studies suggest it might be a rogue brown dwarf or a massive rogue planet. This is because it has not shown up again after the original pass. If this is the case, then astronomers observed an extremely rare event of a rogue planet passing between us and the star. This would also explain why its ring system is as huge as it is. If this is a rogue planet or a brown dwarf, there would be no other large nearby objects, such as a star or other planets, to disrupt its gravitational field over such a large distance. In conclusion, J1407b's massive ring system, the potential for moons, and other unique characteristics make it a captivating object of study. It challenges our understanding of planetary systems and sparks curiosity about the vast diversity of the universe. If you like this content, please support this channel by making a donation or buying a product through the links mentioned in the description.